I believe Bitcoin and crypto markets are preparing themselves for a major crash that's going to scare the absolute shit out of everybody. But not you, because you watch this video. Stick around. We're going to go over these charts. I'm going to explain to you what I see with Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're going to look at DXY. You're not going to want to miss this one, guys. This is Chart Junkies. My name is Alex. I'm a professional Elliott Wave trader. I use Elliott Wave Theory to come up with high probability trades. Join the Discord, man. It's free, guys. If you want to learn Elliott Wave, get in there. There's a link in the description below to a free video I threw up here on YouTube. It's 10 minutes long. It's like an Elliott Wave crash course. If you have no clue what Elliott Wave is, watch that. It's the best way to trade. I've been a profitable trader. I'm a professional trader just from Elliott Wave Theory. It's no retail trader knows how to use Elliott Wave properly, so it gives you such a big advantage. Join the Discord, guys. I'll see you in there. Bitcoin, in my opinion, is poised for a dump down to the $20,000 level, down to this area, right? Why do I say that? Well, it's really as simple as I'm not even going to look at what has happened in the past year. I've gone over it many times. I'm not doing it again with you guys. It's really as simple as I have an ABC structure off the top that is finished. I have an ABC structure off the bottom that is finished. I need another ABC structure to complete this. Take out all this liquidity down here. You guys actually think that there's going to be a bounce here at this low? And this is not going to get taken out? Do you know how much liquidity sits right here? Of course they're going to take that out. Come on. Now, we're looking for an ABC to match up with this to create one big WXY. It's a double correction. But here's the kicker. I don't think we're going to come straight down and take out this liquidity right now. I don't think it's ready. I have closed out of my short position. I'm no longer in a short. I closed. You could pull up the Discord and look at the, here, let's see. I closed at 26,829, so basically right where we are right now. I closed out the rest of my position. I secured massive profits on this dump. We saw it coming. I was long, closed out of my long at like 27.2. We got into our short here, and she just absolutely dumped. Now, what I'm expecting is an ABC to finish up here. I want to see this flag out and give me one more low. I really do. And then I want to see another ABC to the upside to create like a mini WXY here. And then I want to see the dump. And we'll look at Ethereum. Look how this matches up. But that's what looks good to me, guys. If you zoom out a little bit, you can see I don't play these structures. I'm an Elliott Wave trader, but you can see a head and shoulders pattern, breaking the low. I mean, it's a perfect head and shoulders pattern right there. And then I'm expecting more upside, but I don't even want to get that far ahead of ourselves. We're going to focus on what we can do right now and get this bag, my boys and girls. This is what I'm seeing in the charts. Now, I want to caution you. There's 10 million different possibilities of how this general structure can play out, but this is the general structure. That's it. Now, you could have 2 up, 2 down, and a flat right here, and then come down for one more, and then come down up, and then come down. Like, it can happen so many different ways. That's why you need to join the Discord and stay up to date with what I'm doing, because I can't post a video every time I see something new in the charts. Long story short on Bitcoin, I'm looking to long after we get I want to see a wave 4 here, then come down, maybe take out this low here, maybe not. So before I long, I want to see a wave 4, take out the low. Now if this comes up straight like this, I'm gonna say that this is just a flat, and then we're coming down lower, maybe up flat up to 28k. I'll be looking to short again if that happens. Okay, so we'll see, time will tell. Currently not in a position. Let's go to Ethereum and see if what I'm saying is kind of matching up over here. Now Ethereum is about to put in a low. Bitcoin is not even close. Bitcoin only retraced to about right here on Bitcoin's ABC. That's where Bitcoin is. Ethereum's all the way down here. So, and by the way, guys, the video I posted 4 days ago, this is the same structure that I'm going over right now with you guys in that video. This was before we broke the trend line on BTC. This was before this daily trend line was broken on the BTC RSI. Both of these have broken to the downside, and we absolutely crushed that call. Elliott Wave Theory is powerful, guys. This is why you need to learn it. You need to learn it. No one knows good Elliott Wave Theory. If you know it, you have such a big edge on retail investors. It's not even funny. Okay. Now Ethereum. I am looking for ETH to break its low. So with Bitcoin, put in a wave 4, break the low. So then you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that looks good to me. You can call it just an ABC like that, which I won't like. You can call it an ABC that's finished and it's not going to break the low, and it's going to come up an ABC again for a WXY with Bitcoin. But I love this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breaking the low. Coming down here. If we zoom out a little bit and we pull the fibs on this sucker, you have, here, fix this, a perfect 1618 retrace extension right here. I have a flat correction here, so this is a 1, 2, 3 ABC structure, and then we can get a big pump. I would be really looking along ETH when it comes down to like the $1,500 level, 1,500. Along will look very nice to me. So with ETH, there's a million different ways it can play out as well, but I want to see it break the low, and I will be looking to long this box here, which is 1474 up to 1527, for a nice corrective wave up, and then you can say, okay, this is done. Maybe get a correction up and then come down again. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Lastly, DXY. Inversely correlated to Bitcoin. I am seeing I want to see a wave 4 come in, and then I want to see one last pump to the upside to finish this. Where's the fibs? Yeah. One last pump to the upside to finish that right there, like that. And then I want to see this come down and get absolutely destroyed when Bitcoin goes on its rally to the upside. What would this get us into? November? Yeah, I would like to see DXY not just totally dump here, not just totally pump here. I want to see some nice sideways action from DXY. That would be good for me. Like something like this. And then up. Like that. And that would get us into January, which that's when I'm predicting Bitcoin's dump to happen, like right in this area. Absolute dump. And then I'm predicting DXY to come down and crash and burn, and Bitcoin markets to absolutely moon a little bit. But yeah, we'll go over that in the future as things change, as events happen. Yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to go over, guys. I appreciate you watching. Join the Discord, it's free. I'll see you guys in there. I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.